Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for The Sims 4 error code 110 7de8fcb9 725844183. The error comes when players try to load into their household after a recent game update or expansion pack installation. According to our research, this error is likely caused by outdated mods or custom content that are conflicting with the latest update. If you are experiencing this issue, don't worry, we have found a few workarounds that may help. Before trying anything else, restart your device and ensure The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. If the error persists, mods and custom content may be the issue. The best way to check if outdated mods are causing the error is by removing the mods folder from the Sims 4 directory. After that, delete the game cache and the local thumbcache.package file from the Sims 4 folder. Once done, launch the game without mods and try loading a new save file. If the game loads fine, then the issue is related to mods or custom content. To identify which specific mod is causing the issue, try using the 50/50ths method. Simply move all mods and CC into a temporary folder on your desktop. Then move a few files back into the mods folder, then start the game and check if it loads correctly. Then delete the local thumbcache.package file before launching the game each time. Keep repeating these steps until you identify the mod or CC that is causing the issue. While testing, do not save the game to avoid any corruptions. If you find a problematic mod or CC, delete it immediately. Since mods and custom content often break after updates, so always check if the creators have released new versions. So, there you have it. To troubleshoot the error, try removing mods, clearing cache files, and using the 50/50ths method to find outdated mods. If all else fails, consider starting a new save without any custom content. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.